Hello, and welcome to this short Yoga Nidra session. The goal of today's session is to take a break from stress, from noise, from restlessness, and reset the body and the mind. Take a moment to lie down anywhere comfortable, eyes closed, legs slightly open, arms on the side of your body, palms up. And let your body do the last movements before the session starts. Now is the time for your Sankalpa. Sankalpa is your intention for this practice. You can choose your own Sankalpa, or you can repeat mentally, I'm comfortable. You can repeat your Sankalpa 3 times mentally. Take a moment to observe the sounds of your body. Maybe your heartbeat, some digestion noises, and your breath. Keep your attention on the sounds of your breath. Each inhale and each exhale. Now you can let your breath getting longer, slower. Observe how your belly is moving on the rhythm of the breath. Inhale, your belly is rising. Exhale, your belly is dropping. Simply observe this movement to the rhythm of your breathing. You may observe that the belly is getting slower and slower, deeper and deeper. With each exhale, you can feel your body sink a little more towards the ground with each exhale. And you can feel a pleasant heaviness in your whole body. Stay with your awareness. And now your attention is going to scan each part of your body to your own rhythm, starting with the feet up to your head. You start with the feet. Maybe you will encounter some body tensions on the way up. Just observe those tensions. breathe through those tensions. With each tension point you will encounter, take a moment to inhale and exhale. When the attention reaches the top of the head, you will let it go back down from your head to your feet, starting with the face. And observe if there are body tensions left. Take the time to just observe those tensions and breathe. Once you reach the feet again, you will take a moment to let the attention on the whole body. Your attention is now on the full body. Your whole body feels comfortable. Now is the time you will go back to your Sankalpa. Repeat the Sankalpa you chose at the beginning of the session and repeat it 3 times in your mind. You direct now your attention towards the sound of your body, of your breath, digestion, heartbeat. And then you let your attention going to the sounds outside of your body. You can feel your body on the mat, the contact points between your body and the floor, the sensations of the clothes on your skin. And you can now start to move your fingers your thumbs, your feet, your hands, your arms and your legs, head, from left to right and right to left. You can stretch and you can take your knees up to your chest and roll on the right side. Still with your eyes closed, you can sit up and take the time to come back from this session. That's the end of the Yoga Nidra session. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. Feel free to come back to this session whenever you feel the need. Don't forget to take regular breaks also. See you soon.